Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to share with you a few different tips and tricks on how you can fix the iPhone that is not showing missed calls. So to begin, the very first thing that I would recommend you to do is to go into the settings on your iPhone device. Now, once you're in here, you want to go down to notifications, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you see the phone icon. So I've got mine here, so I'm just going to tap into here. So as you can see, the phone notifications is set to off. So I just want to go ahead and turn this on. And if I want to go ahead and set notifications on the lock screen, notification center, and also the banners, I can also go ahead and turn all of these on as well. And if I just scroll down a bit further, I can also go to badges and turn this on as well. So now whenever I go ahead and get a missed call on my iPhone device, I will get it on my lock screen, and I'll also get a notification in the missed call area on the phone app and also on the home screen as well. So if that fix didn't work for you, the next thing I would try is to simply slide up from the bottom of your phone to the control panel on your iPhone. And now what you want to do is just go ahead and turn airplane mode on. And you just want to leave this on for a couple of minutes, and this is mainly done as if you've gone into a dead spot with your iPhone or a low cell phone coverage area. This may actually cause issues for you to not receive any calls on your iPhone, and you will also not receive any notifications for missed calls as well. So once you've left that for a couple of minutes, you can now go ahead and turn that back off. And then if that still isn't working, then you can go ahead and just toggle it on and off a few more times as well, as that has also strangely enough worked for many iPhone users as well. Okay guys, so the next thing you can try is to actually go ahead and do a hard restart of your iPhone device. So if you've run into any temporary glitches or issues or bugs that your iPhone may be encountering, you can simply remedy this by doing a hard restart. So if you have the iPhone 6 or later, you can do a hard restart by pressing onto the home screen and the lock screen button together for around 30 seconds or until the device restarts. And if you have the iPhone 7, you can restart your device by pressing and holding onto both the volume down and the lock screen button together for around 30 seconds or until the device restarts. And if you have the iPhone 8 or above, you can do the same by pressing the volume up, down, and then the lock screen button, and this will go ahead and restart your device. Okay guys, so if none of these fixes have worked for you, the very last thing you can try is to go ahead and update the iOS on your iPhone, as depending on the iPhone model you have and also the iOS, there actually may be a conflict, and this may be causing your iPhone to not showing missed calls. So to fix this, you can go into settings, scroll down to general, and then navigate to software update. So once you're in here, if this is highlighted in blue, this just lets you know that there is a new update that you can now download and install. So you can just go ahead and tap that, and that will go ahead and upgrade you to the most recent version of the iOS. So there you have it guys. Hopefully some of these fixes and tips have fixed the iPhone not showing missed calls for you. And if you've come up with your own solution or fix, please also share that down below in the comment section, as you'll be helping many other iPhone users out there as well. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.